Okay, we're here in Fayetteville, Georgia, taking a ride in a beautiful 1960 Impala with a 348 V8 and a 4-speed Muncie. And there's a lot of pictures. You can take a look at all the details, but we wanted you to, I guess, take a little ride with us. You got a digital, or a modernized, I should say, dash here. All updated gauges.
That's the correct shifter for what we call a bench seat.
Okay.
Same as it came in 59 and 60.
Just waiting for traffic here. Away we go. Nice running car. And we'll have another video too that will show you the outside of the car in motion.
This is something very important. Most people don't know this, but the transmission's been rebuilt.
Okay.
But when you know that if you start off in a gear, and you speed up,
yep,
and then you let up, if the transmission's not good, it jumps out of gear.
I see. Excellent.
So, but it doesn't do it in.
Works the way it should.
This is low gear.
And it stays in low. Excellent. I don't think I'd want to meet you at a light in my Jaguar.
I didn't get it all the way into it.
Okay, well, you get the idea. It's a beautiful running car. Frankly, built by a fellow who has decades of experience in Chevrolets. Very well known in the area. And his cars are well sought. Available for a limited time online. See the links for details.